We want to turn our attention now to Michigan. That is where coronavirus cases are increasing at an alarming rate. Hospitalizations rising over 600% just in the last month for patients between the ages of 30 and 50. We want to bring in now Michigan's chief medical executive and member of the Biden-Harris administration's COVID-19 Health Equity Task Force, Dr. Joneigh Khaldun. Dr. Khaldun, first of all, happy Doctor's Day to you as well. And let's start with what is happening there in Michigan and what is driving these numbers up?
Well, thank you for having me on the show today. I'm very concerned about what we're seeing in the state of Michigan. We've seen over the past 5 to 6 weeks a significant increase in our cases. Our hospitalizations are going up as well. And we are seeing that younger people, ages 10 all the way up through 60, are getting sick, and many of them are also being hospitalized. So we're very concerned about what we're seeing on the ground.
Well, certainly concerned there, but what do you think is driving it?
I think there's several things. I think some folks are just a little tired of what we've been doing for over a year now. I know some people are perhaps tired of wearing their mask. People are gathering, and we also know of several outbreaks associated with sports teams as well.
There are a lot of states, Michigan among them, that have loosened restrictions. And at this point, it doesn't appear that Governor Whitmer wants to lock down again, if you will. Not maybe a full lockdown, but want to kind of leave things open. Do you, as you see it, in your professional opinion, think that we need to put, and the state needs to put some restrictions maybe back in place?
I think everyone in Michigan really needs to double down right now. We know what it takes to bring our surge down. Michigan has done this before. Michigan actually, by and large, missed the post-holiday surge that a lot of other states saw. And we did that by wearing masks, getting tests when we were exposed or symptomatic. And those are the exact same things that we're really doubling down on now as well. I'll also say I'm really pleased with the way our vaccinations are rolling out. More than 4.1 million doses in arms. More than 2/3 of Michiganders over the age of 65 have gotten at least one dose. So I'm really pleased with that. We just have to, even more so, be laser focused on our vaccination efforts as well.
And Dr. Khaldun, I mentioned in the introduction to you that you are on the COVID-19 Health Equity Task Force for the Biden administration. Where is your work? I know you're supposed to be giving recommendations, but are some of those going to help us through this pandemic, or is the idea to make sure we don't have some of these equity issues down the road?
Well, I'm certainly honored to be on President Biden's Health Equity Task Force with such amazing colleagues. So absolutely, we are currently looking at what recommendations could be put in place now to be able to address the pandemic today, but also recommendations that could improve the public health response to future pandemics as well. So really, really excited, and we are looking closely at what recommendations we should be putting forward.
July 4th, some sense of normalcy is what President Biden is going for. Is that possible, July 4th now?
I certainly do think it's possible. Again, our vaccines are rolling out very well across the country. Here in Michigan, everyone will be eligible to be vaccinated on April 5th. So really pleased with how vaccinations are rolling out. If everyone does their part, wear your mask, get tested, and of course, get your vaccine, we can have more of a sense of normalcy. And absolutely, I'm confident that we can do that by July 4th, as the president said.
Dr. Joneigh Khaldun, ma'am, thank you so much for being here. Good luck to you all. We hope we can check in with you, get a positive update down the road, and happy Doctor's Day to you.
Thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.